In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share templates on Docusign. Whether you're streamlining your workflow or making sure your team is aligned, sharing templates can make a significant difference. So let's dive right into the steps to get your templates shared efficiently. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Docusign website. It's a hub for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, where you can create, send, and manage documents securely. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Login to access your Docusign account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to proceed. It might be helpful to ensure you're using a modern web browser for the best experience, as Docusign's interface is designed to work smoothly on the most recent versions of Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Docusign home screen, which serves as a central dashboard for your document activities. From this page, look for the Templates tab. Clicking on this will navigate you to the section of your account where all your templates are stored. If you use templates frequently, you might want to bookmark this page for quicker access in the future. Once you're in the templates section, you'll be able to see a list of all your saved templates. Here, find the specific template that you wish to share. To the right of each template, there's a three-dot icon. This is what you'll click next. This icon opens up additional options related to each template, one of which includes sharing. Clicking on that three-dot icon will present you with a menu of actions, so look for the option that says Share with Users. This feature allows you to easily share the template with others in your organization or team who need access. When you select Share with Users, a new window will appear, prompting you to select the users with whom you want to share the template. Ensure that you are choosing the correct individuals and double check their user information if necessary. As a quick tip, when you share templates, consider explaining to your team or colleagues the intended use and any specific instructions related to each template. This aids in preventing any misunderstandings and ensures everyone is on the same page when using the templates. Once you're satisfied with your selections, confirm the action. And there you have it, your template is now shared with selected users, streamlining your processes and enhancing collaboration within your team. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your Docusign experience.